girls from the Philippines and California how to sled.
So we didn't have real sleds.
Yeah. So we used cardboard and trash bags. We're both from Wisconsin though.
Yeah,
so we're so excited for snow.
It makes us feel like you're right at home.
I mean, Galesburg hasn't even had a blizzard like this in the 10 years that I've lived here, so we were not going to miss it, to say the least. Wind was the only really annoying thing. The snow, I like snow, but the wind was kind of blowing in our faces when we were walking.
I already stocked up on food, so
yeah, we're good. No, I'm not worried at all. I mean, if it's snow, it's fairly well centered.
For the most part, I was holed up in Seymour, but I had to go to Post for like 4 hours each day in order to get rehearsals for the show John Hewlett and I were directing done because our performance was that week and we couldn't use the CFA for the rehearsal. Tuesday night, that was horrible. I mean, vision was completely like non-existent. I tripped like several times, you know, like in the knee ice snow. It was bad.
So yeah, I mean, they shoveled everything and they got everything good. The most inconvenience was you would have to like walk around a corner or something to get to another pathway. So, and it's good now, but I trekked all over campus with two really good friends, and we had a really good time just walking out in the middle of the street and just being like, we're in a blizzard!